Welcome to the Idaho Transportation Permits System, also known as ITRPS, user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the steps for updating your company data using www.permitsforidaho.com. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the ITRPS user tutorial videos link. ITRPS is used by motor carriers and permit services to order oversized overweight permits for the state of Idaho and set up company information. Enter the username and password established when creating your account. There is a separate video titled Creating an Account located on the login page. Check the box for Remember Me on this computer to have the computer remember the login information. Click the Submit button to log in. The company dashboard will be displayed. Click the Menu button at the top of the company dashboard to display the administrative panel. Then click the Company Data link to open the Company Data Management Portal. The ITRPS Company Management Portal screen will be displayed. Verify the company information displayed matches the company information entered when creating your account. Verify or edit the phone number, fax number, and primary email address for the company account. Select the delivery method for how you would like your company to receive permits. Web download will allow users to print the permit directly from the web. Selecting the email or fax option will allow users to have issued permits emailed or faxed directly to them. This option can be changed during the permit application process. Once the main contact information for the company has been updated, be sure to click the Update button in order for ITRPS to save the information. Contacts, addresses, terminals, users, and vehicles are located under the Company Assets section. Any person that might need to be contacted by ITD at any step of the permitting process should be added into the system as a contact. Please note that each contact must be set up as a user in order to log into ITRPS and order permits. Add contacts to your company account by clicking the New button to create a new contact. The contact information screen will be displayed. Enter the information for the contact being added. Select the contact type from the Contact Type drop-down list. A business contact would be someone to contact for finance questions or company information, and a permitting contact would be someone who is familiar with the permits being ordered through ITRPS. Click the Insert button to add the contact entered. Continue adding contacts by clicking the New button until all contacts have been entered. The mailing and physical address information for the company is stored in the Addresses section of the Company Information Company Assets screen. Addresses cannot be added or deleted but can be edited. Please note that if the company name, DBA, or USDOT, which is associated with the ITD CRS account number, it cannot be changed in ITRPS. Account information must first be updated by contacting the Idaho Permit Office and then synced with ITRPS by clicking the Sync with USDOT Data button. Terminals can be used if a company has multiple yards or terminal locations. Click the New button to create a new terminal location. The terminal information screen will be displayed. Enter the required information and select a delivery method from the drop-down list. Click the Insert button to add the terminal to the company account. Continue adding terminals by clicking the New button until all terminals have been entered. Company users will have the ability to log into ITRPS and order permits. The original user that set up the account will already be listed in the Users drop-down list. Click the Edit button to edit the user and verify or edit the email address, phone number, prompt question, and response, and password. All users should enter an email address, prompt question, and response in order to retrieve a forgotten username or reset a forgotten password. This saves time, allowing users to bypass calling the permit office for a password reset. When editing an existing user or adding a new user, select the user type from the drop-down list. The two levels are Administrator or User. The administrator level can edit company information and other users. A user level can only issue permits and update their name, email address, phone number, and password information, including the prompt question and response. The user who created the account will be defaulted to an administrator user. All company accounts must have at least one administrator user. Unless the user will have a very specific known start and end date, leave these fields blank. Otherwise, set the start and end date if the account will expire at some point. Click the Update button to save the information. To add a new user, click the New button located to the right of the Users section. The user information screen will be displayed. Enter the required information. Click the Insert button to add the new user to the account. Continue adding and editing users until all users have been added or updated in ITRPS. A company can choose to keep a list of its vehicle inventory. These vehicles can be used to populate information on the permit application by selecting a vehicle from a drop-down list. Vehicles can also be assigned to a terminal to aid in reporting by terminal or location. Terminals must be entered into the terminal company data before assigning to a vehicle. Please note that vehicle inventory can also be uploaded to ITRPS via spreadsheet. There is a separate tutorial video titled Uploading Vehicles via Spreadsheet located on the login page. To add a new vehicle, click the New button to the right of the Vehicles section. The vehicle information screen will be displayed. Enter the required information and click the Insert button to add the new vehicle. Continue adding vehicles by clicking the New button until all vehicles have been entered. Click the Excel spreadsheet icon to open an Excel file displaying the fields required for vehicle imports. If vehicles have already been uploaded, clicking the Excel spreadsheet icon will display the Excel file that was uploaded. Please note that it is recommended that company data be reviewed and updated, including adding users on a regular basis or when any company data changes. This concludes the ITRPS user tutorial video updating company data. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, more videos are available for your convenience.